Most people nowadays, when out shooting, try to capture things with the best video quality possible. Those perfect colors, perfect stabilization, perfect angles, perfect audio, perfect. And then you have a lot of people trying to recreate that classic old school video look, making their videos that are shot on 4K cameras today look like they were shot on VHS cameras from years ago. So instead of spending hours making everything look perfect, they spend time downgrading the footage to make things look and sound unperfect. But what actually is perfect? Because the perfect of today won't be the perfect in years to come, or will it? And the perfect of years ago clearly is, to some people, the perfect of today. Or is it? I always think to myself, in 100 years to come, will the people of 2125 be trying to make their videos look like they were shot in 2025? Just like a lot of us today tried to make our videos look like they were shot years and years and years ago. I have a real sweet spot for that old school classic VHS look that some would call their perfect. I love watching old videos from when I was younger at Disney World, and it's that classic overexposed wobbly footage and the constant zooming in and out. It just makes me feel so good. So it got me thinking, I wanted to go out and capture things a little different to normal, not worry about camera settings and trying to make things look and sound 2025 perfect, or get home and spend hours downgrading the footage to look 2009 perfect. This is the iPhone 3GS, the first ever iPhone that could record video. No filters to add, no settings to change, just one button: record.
Don't know if I was aware a piece was missing. In this puzzle I used to call my life. Oh no, didn't even care enough to be dismissive. I just kept keeping on in my stride. Oh, you've been waiting out there somewhere in the wind. Yes, it's true. It just goes to show it ain't over till the fat lady sings. Better late than never for us to come around. Better late than never for all that was lost once again be found. Yeah, baby, it's clear for all to see that 1 and 1 makes 3 perfectly. Better late than never for you and me.
In all the times I've lived in London, I've only lived in London once. In all the time I've lived in London, I think I've come this close, but not when we actually have activity of the guards. I don't know if you can see, we can get like a little peek. Obviously I have no zoom to zoom in, but there is some action happening with the guards. Behind us, like over there, St James's Palace. You see there's 2 guards guarding the palace. It feels really weird but really good, like just walking around snapping. I feel like a tourist in my own city. I've never like felt like this, just walking around snapping, because I'm literally not thinking about anything. Look what I found. St James's Tavern. St James's Tavern. It's my pub. It is my pub. Shall we go for a pint? Shall we go for a pint? Shall we?
Now it all has changed for the better. Yes it has, baby. Even in ways I never knew were there. Change me, baby, on new ways. Clichés were true to that letter. Yes, they were.
the circle of life, and it moves us all through despair and oh, till we find our place in the winding in the circle